Here at YouGarden, we've got some great potato growing kits, and you've asked us how you can actually use these. How do you grow potatoes in these kits? What we've done here with this particular one, 3 bags with this, by the way, 3 different types of potato. You're getting Desiree, you're getting Rocket, and you're getting Charlotte. You're getting an early, a second early, and a main crop. And as I was saying, 3 of these bags, what you need to do initially is fill each of the bags about halfway, thereabouts. Don't panic about if it's slightly under, slightly above. As long as it's approximately halfway, that's absolutely fine. Using our professional compost, that will give you the best results. But you do need to prepare your potatoes before planting. Now, there's a process called chitting, and what that means is you actually place the potatoes somewhere bright and light on a windowsill, for example, in an egg carton, and look for the end of the potato where you can see lots of these little eyes. That's the part of the potato you want facing upwards. Put them in the egg boxes or anything else that will support them on that nice bright windowsill, and within a few weeks you'll get really beautiful strong shoots coming up from those potatoes. And the reason we do that is to give the potatoes a head start. If you chit them, they'll start growing away much more quickly, and you're going to get that crop much more sooner than you would if you just put them straight in. Once you've got them to that point and you've got the little shoots on there, just take the potato and just press each one down into the compost, and then after that point we'll put some more compost on top with a little bit of fertilizer. Now I've got my chitted potatoes in place, I'll press them down into the compost. I'm now going to cover them up with another layer of compost so they're just nicely nestled under that compost. There we go, spread that out nice and evenly over the top. Then add a little bit of potato fertilizer, just sprinkle that over the top of the compost. And the next stage after that is to give them a really good drink. Give them a good soak. You can use a hose or you can use a watering can, and then wait for the magic to happen. After a couple of weeks, you'll start to see those potato shoots come through. And then what you need to do, as they grow, you need to chase them up with the compost. So keep adding more and more compost. Now this will seem really weird because you've got these lovely green leaves and you're kind of burying the leaves under the compost, but it's important to do that because as the actual stems develop and grow higher and higher in the bag, they'll send out those little roots, and on the end of those little roots, that's where your potatoes will form. So they need to be in the compost. They need to have the air light excluded as well so the potatoes don't turn green. And then you just keep lifting the bag up till you get the compost all the way to the top. And then at that point, you can let the top growth just grow. It'll get a couple of feet above the top of the bag. The potatoes will flower for you eventually. And once they're flowered or finished flowering, that's when your potatoes are ready to harvest. The foliage will start to go off colour a little bit. You can remove the foliage at that point, and you can harvest immediately if you want to, or alternatively, you can just put the bag somewhere cool, dry and ventilated, and you can harvest those potatoes whenever suits you. So you decide which way you want to do it, but this is just such a great way, an easy way, a straightforward way of growing potatoes. And also, when you grow them in the ground, and sometimes you try and dig them out, you end up spiking them with the fork, putting like holes through them. With this, literally you can turn the whole thing out onto a board, onto the garden, anywhere really. Sort out the potatoes, they come out really nice and clean, and you can even reuse the compost, putting it on the beds and borders so you don't get any wasted compost as well. So do this, grow your own homegrown potatoes, and believe you me, you will have the most delicious, flavoursome potatoes you've ever grown. And all of the things we've used in this video are available from us here at YouGarden.